Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. So your phone's paired to the system. All you need to do, you go to your music. If I click on this record that's playing there, I'm going to turn it down, but at the bottom there, the silver triangle and the silver circles, I click on that, look, that's the options that you've got to play your music from this phone through at the moment. So there's iPhone, there's a tick next to Range Rover. Anything I play, any audio I play on this phone will come through the speakers if I've got it set right. So I'm going to turn it down, then I click on the musical symbol there. At the moment it's on auxiliary. What we need to do now is click the plus next to source and then select my phone there or your phone, whatever. Now if I click play and then I turn this up and turn this up, that's how you stream audio.